Here's how I took my skin from this to this and the skincare products I used. Go girl.
Hi guys, this is my exact morning skincare routine that will give you a realistic, healthy, glowing skin. See, if you want a clear face, like maybe you're dealing with pimples, dark spots, discolorations, you need to go try out this particular routine I'm about to put you on, and you will see your face glowing. Like, these are the exact products I use in my morning skincare routine to achieve a nice, healthy, glowing skin. See, I'm filming this light without any light, okay, just so you know, like there's no LED light or anything. So I basically need you guys to see my skin. This is what we are working with. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get into the routine. So the first step in my morning skincare routine, if I'm being realistic with you guys, is using a face cleanser. And sincerely, I use the CeraVe cleanser. I don't know if you can see it. Focus. So I use the CeraVe cleanser to cleanse my face in the morning. Like, what I basically do is I wet my face, then go in with a little amount of my CeraVe cleanser and use it to massage properly into my face for like a minute. And immediately I'm done, I just rinse it off with water, and that is simply it. After cleansing in the morning, the next or second step in my routine is to use my face toner. And one toner that I am currently using, like I've been using a lot of toner. I was using Numbers-In before this one, but my current toner that I'm on right now is this Medicube HR Glutathione Glow Toner. And this is the toner right here. This is what the toner looks like. Don't worry, I'll do a proper be short or be real for you guys. So this is the toner I am currently on. I really love this particular toner, guys. Like, the glow effect is out of this world, and I like the fact that it contains glutathione. I don't know, but I've become a big fan of glutathione ingredients. Like, anything with glutathione, goat's milk, put me on. Like, I love beauty toners and glutathione infused products. So this particular one contains glutathione, cis types peptide complex, and that's exactly why it gives a plump, healthy looking skin. Like, there's no way you will use this particular Medicube toner and not fall in love with it. I really love it, honestly. I love the glow. Everything about this toner is amazing. Whenever I apply this to my face, it just gives me this instant glow. Like, it's so watery, but you will not even know that. Like, it's so watery, but then it gives like this instant glow. Can you just see? Can you see what it did there? Like, that's how amazing this toner is. So I don't really need to say much, but if you're using this toner, you will definitely understand why it is a very, very nice toner. So I really love this one, and it's very good. Like, the peptide complex and everything is amazing. So how do I apply my toner? Because I know a lot of you will ask. So once I'm done cleansing my face, I just let my face air dry. Sometimes I'll just basically use my fan to dry my face sometimes, okay? And on days I'm not using my fan or something, I go in with my paper towel to dry out my face instantly. And after drying out my face, I don't let my face to fully air dry, okay? I just allow it to be a bit damp. Then I'll take like drops of this and pour directly on my face, and then use my fingertips to massage it into my skin. And that's all I do. I'm going to be putting like maybe a video or be shots on the screen so that you will be getting an insight on how I do this. Now, immediately after I'm done applying my toner in my morning routine, another major product that I use is a face serum. Sincerely, like, I don't do much serums in the daytime, especially because I am someone that likes to keep my routine simple in the day. And if you're someone that works every day, you don't want to do too much in your morning routine. You just want to keep it as simple as possible. Maybe basically 2 or 3 steps. So the next product I go in with is my Axis Y Dark Spots Correcting Glow Serum. And this is it right here. Focus. So I use this Axis Y Dark Spots Correcting Serum with 5% niacinamide in my daytime routine. And that's because the niacinamide in this is like 5%. So that's why I incorporate it into my morning routine. It's gentle. This right here is like a gel. It has like this gel texture and it feels like you are applying water to your skin. And that's exactly why I really love and enjoy using this. Like, this is one of my go-to serums, and I love the fact that whenever I'm using this, it equally helps to curtail my pimple breakouts and all. Like anytime I'm about to get pimple, this helps with breakouts and any further breakouts I'm having. I just really love this Axis Y Dark Spots Correcting Serum. It helps with pimple breakouts and is something that is so gentle on the skin. So if you're looking to achieve a healthy, glowing, clear looking skin, cop a niacinamide serum like this one. Like if you've used Axis Y Dark Spots Correcting Serum, you would definitely understand what I'm talking about. It's no hype, okay? So go try it out and then you will definitely understand. The next product I go in with in my morning routine is my face moisturizer. And the face moisturizer that I mostly use in my daytime routine is this La Roche-Posay Clear Duo face moisturizer. Is this La Roche-Posay Clear Duo moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer I practically use every time in my morning skincare routine. This La Roche-Posay moisturizer is very good. See, this is one moisturizer that helps you curtail your pimple breakouts. Like it has an amazing ingredients like salicylic acid, and they all help to correct your already existing dark spots, pimple, anti-marks and stuffs. And that's why I got this. Like I had a rough face at the time before buying this. Like I had rough face and pimple. I don't know, if you look clearly you might still see like 1 or 2 breakouts and dark spot on my face. That's because I currently started using this and it have been helping treat my pimples, and then it have been like getting rid of the breakouts I had and making my face smoother. So this right here is a great moisturizer. In fact, it's a treatment moisturizer, and I love the fact that it equally serves like a 2-in-1 product. Like it's more like a face moisturizer and sunscreen in one. So if you're looking to achieve a healthy, beautiful glow, then this right here is definitely gonna do the job for you. Like this will not disappoint you. Like every of my clients have recommended this face moisturizer to, they really enjoy it and they end up seeing results. There is one with sunscreen and there is one without, so pick the one that is suitable for you. So I'm using this one just in case on days maybe I don't want to use sunscreen or I'm staying indoors. That's why I got the one with sunscreen or SPF. Now, after applying my moisturizer, I know that my moisturizer already have like 30 plus SPF in it, but I still ensure to go in with my sunscreen. And the sunscreen I use in my morning routine is this Suncourt's sunscreen. Is this Suncourt's UV sunscreen. This is one sunscreen I have been using in my morning skincare routine, and it does an amazing job. I'm not going to come on here and pretend like I'm a big fan of this Suncourt sunscreen. I don't really like the alcohol effect in it, but it has been serving in my morning routine and it's quite affordable. I think I got this for $16.5 or so. I forgot to tell you guys the prices of each product just because I might not be able to remember some, but if I can get the prices, I'll be putting them on the screen. Okay, so this particular sunscreen is amazing. It's not going to leave a white cast on your skin, and I think that's a good thing about a good sunscreen. So with this, you're not going to get like all those white casts. So this is amazing and it's definitely going to leave you with a healthy, beautiful, glowing skin. that is simply it for my morning skincare routine. You guys, I purposely decided to divide this into a morning and night skincare routine, okay? So I'll be uploading my nighttime skincare routine version for you guys later. So for those of you that just like a simple routine, you can basically use the CeraVe, then use like your face toner like this one, and then apply your moisturizer, and that is simply it. Like this 3 step alone is good for all those people, all those working class bodies. This 3 step now is enough for you. You guys, how on earth did I forget my lip care? Okay, I know that there are some guys watching me, but most of you are girlies. Okay, so the lip care that I am currently on, or something that I usually wear, is there's like I moisturize my lips with my lip balm mostly. This one is the moisture lip cream, and it contains vitamin E and stuff. Okay, like this is the one I basically use. So I use this to moisturize my lips, and then immediately after applying the lip balm, I go in with this Dazzle lip whatever. This one is a gloss. This one is a gloss. I don't know if you can see it properly, and it changes color, and that's the good thing about it. Like whenever I apply this, it just changes color. This is like a first coat. If I double the coats now, you guys, like if I apply it again, you will see it will become intense. Like I don't want to do so much because I'm still about to film another video. So give it some time now. The color will change. So can you see that? So that's basically what I use for my lip care, for those of you that will ask. So yeah, I think that's basically it. So that's all the products I use in my morning routine to achieve a healthy, beautiful, glowing face. So if you intend on making your face glow, having a healthy skin, or just getting rid of the pimple breakouts that you have on your face, then this routine is a must try for you. You will love it. You will have a clear, smooth, beautiful, glowing face. Okay, so yeah, all you need to do is to be consistent, and you will definitely see your face glowing. I hope today's video was very helpful and you found 1 or 2 products that you can actually incorporate into your routine, if not all. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my nighttime routine video. Bye.